this is day 7 and we are heading towards the Pin base. So we get the first river crossing here. You can see porters up there. We have to climb all the way up.
Somebody to know you, you're gonna need somebody's love to hold you to. Oh, when I leave, stay
Pritesh. It seems to be never ending. Toughest ascent. All boulders. So guys, this is day 7 of Pin Parvati Pass Trek and it's 2:30 in the afternoon. We are reaching Parvati side base camp and we would be around 16,000 feet now. Today was very tough day. We gained around 2,700 feet today, and now the magical look comes. We have reached the campsite, and you can see the first look of the amazing pass. Wow, this looks heavenly. This is definitely heaven. The camping would be on the boulders, So the tough day comes to an end. Tomorrow is the summit day. So guys, good evening from the Parvati base camp. We are here at 16,000 feet. So tonight we'll start for the summit attempt at around 4 in the morning actually. So I have Navneet with me. He will explain you how was the today's trek.
Yeah, today was a tricky climb. We climbed more than 2000 feet. That's not advisable in a day, but that's how the itinerary goes. And tomorrow we'll be submitting hopefully Pin Parvati Pass with a clear view. And still nature made us believe that nature empowers us. It's not the humans that empowers the nature. Yeah.
So see you all tomorrow. We hope for a wonderful summit. Goodbye. So guys, you can see the sunrise point. We got to climb that. I think Pin Parvati Pass is right there. It's a tiring day. View is amazing, but we are just exhausted because yesterday was also a tough day. Totally exhausted. So guys, this is Pin Parvati Pass and we summit around 9 o'clock. Today is 4th August and it is my brother's birthday. So this Pin Parvati Pass is dedicated to you, brother. ऐसे चलना पड़ेगा, ऐसे चलना पड़ेगा. ओह ओह यहीं पे है, थोड़ा आगे नहीं। अरे गिरने मत आप, अभी गिर रहे तो क्या करोगे आप? आ जाओ आप, हो जाओ, जल्दी करो।
मेरे पाँव कटेंगे इसलिए तकलीफ हो रहा है। वो शू पैक्स हो गए मुझे, कटते हैं।
जूता पहनो, बहुत आँख जा रही है। बस चाहिए 1 घंटा, उसके बाद है धक्का नहीं। शिमला ठीक, शिमला। अरे उठो, आ जाओ। इसीलिए मैंने 2 आदमी मंगाए थे। आ जाओ, उठो, आराम से आ जाओ।
मेरे पाँव कटे पड़े हैं यार, ग्लेशियर्स हो गए पूरे, शू पैक्स है पूरे।
You can see the glaciers here. So guys, this is day 9 of Pin Parvati Pass Trek, and today we are descending from the Pin side base camp to Mud. We have actually 2 days left. Today was supposed to be at Tia, and tomorrow plan was to descend to Mud from Tia, but actually now we have decided that we will do all 24-kilometer trek today. So this is the plan. This is again a narrow trail from Pin side base camp to Tia. You can see the trail over here. A beautiful trail actually. So the day 9 and another river crossing. You get at least 10 of such river crossing during Pin Parvati Pass. days are to Delhi. We were actually going to Manali, but we are stuck here in Batal. So you can see there has been heavy rainfall in last 2 days in Spiti Valley. So we are stuck here since morning and it's around 5 now. So
We need to stay here in,
Yeah.
you can say a hotel, not kind of hotel, but a homestay. So we will be stuck and we might be transferred from here to the next side of the landslide, and from there another recovery van will pick up and take us to Manali.
So another day here in Spiti. See you.